tennis ball cricket tournament was organised by Hynniewtrep Sports and sponsored by some committee had kick-started on the 11th of June 2022, where 24 teams had taken part. At the final match that was held today, the 23rd of July 2022, a chase of 127 runs gave Lumshyiap Sports Club a 2-run and 4-wicket win against Hynniewtrep Sports and Cultural Club, who got 125 runs in the first innings. The winning team was awarded a trophy and a cash prize of rupees 70,000, while the runner-up team carried home a cash prize of rupees 30,000. During the award ceremony, prizes were also awarded to individuals for their outstanding performance. These included the Man of the Match award that was given to Hynniewtrep of Lumshyiap Sports Club, while the award for Best Bowler in the entire series went to Hynniewtrep of Lumshyiap Sports Club for his 16-wicket hits. Ronmel Jirwa received the award for Man of the Series in the Hynniewtrep Sports First Tennis Ball Cricket Tournament 2022.
It's a very good game for a final. It's a game worthy of a final here. Di nakaliang jongi kasam kamti PE bangi ngidi promote bahai ke sports. Di kadau ba beli mengakuak ban penong final mana hang tu pemadan urkaliaru ba there's some story behind that ground. Ba mensua ngilak tip itu kemadan kalong ke bakumno. Di ngatrai pi mana kai saki dah mat lejong. Ki Hynniewtrep di mana ngatrai piwi ki tim biban nang tip kai lingo ibing itu kemadan kalong kumtun hai. Ba mensua ketika kemadan keret di dah kajing yarap lem jing honorable deputy commissioner la yarap ingi bingin yo penan kami ketika kemadan nomor kumbangi tip iba ketika kemadan la kata pusna bukan court case te bingin yo penan kami kemadan ru kamlong ke besok te dah kajing tristom lang iti kenhun ijongi te bat dah kajing amin sim lang jing honorable deputy commissioner ila pen immediate ya baru arnut ki custodian jang ketika ground te sipor ngla Shillong caretaker mingi te kemadan halor kanong rem bangin yo ban promote ya ke sport sebab dia ki jing sek te kuat ban ai katahi kaman sim PE sports person namar kumba PE minta ka jok jong online gaming kena kila show involve plat ki online gaming teng kita arbaje la baje saw baje ki pat dia kita ngeliak kai te dah bangila bantan ki kena jungi bikin wan liak kai ki outdoor sports te ka limit ke online gaming addiction jong ki te tang nita kan tian ni ngam kwa show ban kran bun ketian kuat ban ai ka jing kublai ki organizers jong ni tournament ni ka Hynniewtrep Sports Hynniewtrep Sports and Cultural Club. Thì teams baru kali ini boleh participate in tournament. Thì kadang kekentin pareng iru boong participation is more important than winning the competition itself. Thì hoi kajing ya kun dan kajing job dan kajing ram. Tama kai kebangi start kalong mengiyo pen promote iki sports person. Namar kumba pisutoi pementa amma baru kali ingin hapi trekam sokar. Amma baru kali ingin hapi long engineer, ingin hapi long doktor, ingin hapi long officer. Ke sports su ke profession na dangin nang kumnuban promote.